Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to film myself getting ready. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So to start off this look, I already applied foundation. I used the Covergirl Trublend Matte Foundation in shade T30. Then I'm applying some loose powder under my eyes just so that the foundation doesn't crease. And whatever's left over, I go and apply that all over just to set the rest of my face. Then for eyeshadow, I'm using the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. I'm using the third shade in the first row just to apply in my crease as a transition color. Then I'm taking the second shade in the first row and I'm applying that right underneath that first shade. So with this video, just because it is such a simple look, I decided to not have it play so fast. I just sped it up just a little bit instead of having it how I normally do, just so you guys could really see exactly what I'm doing. I normally speed these videos up, especially when it's a talk through or a talk over, I mean, because it's just a whole bunch of blending basically. And then I'm taking the second shade in the last row and I'm applying that on the outer corner of my eye just to add some depth. I always do this. It doesn't matter if I'm doing a light eye or obviously like a dark eye look. I always do that. It just adds, like I said, like depth and definition. It just looks really good, and it's just, you know, my opinion. Then I'm taking a flat brush and I'm applying loose powder, and that's just to carve out the eyeshadow, just because when you're blending it can get a little messy. So I do this trick instead of tape. I just find that it works better. So I'm gonna let it set while I finish up the rest of this eye look, and then I'll wipe it off. And my hair always getting in the way. So then I'm still blending away. I'm taking the first shade that I used as a transition color and I just applied it all over just to blend everything together. Then I'm taking some more of that darker shade I put on the outer corner of my eye and I'm just bringing it into my crease just a little. And then blending. Then I'm taking that first shade in the palette and I'm applying that on the inner corner and bringing it into the middle of my eyelid. And then for eyeliner, I'm using the L'Oreal I will leave everything listed down below as I normally do. So if I get any of this wrong, any of the products wrong that I'm mentioning, it will be right in the description box. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to be using that dark shade that I used on the outer corner of my eye and just apply it. Then I'm going to jump off camera to apply these lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. Lashes are applied. And I applied the Essence Nude Liner on my lower lash line. And for lips, I'm just outlining them with the Colourpop lip liner. And I'm just going to overline my lips just a little. It's what I've always kind of done. Then I'm going to be using the Clinique lip gloss. This is my favorite lip combo. It's why I do it so often. Probably too much. It just goes with everything, so it's my go-to. It's just something I kind of stick to. And then I'm going to take just a dab of the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Sand just to make it a little bit more nude. Then I'm going to be highlighting with the Carli bybel palette. And I'm using that light pink highlight shade. I couldn't find my little highlighting brush, so I'm going to be going with a flat concealer brush. And I'm applying it on the inner corners of my eyes, the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, under my brows, and my Cupid's bow. And that's the finished look. Now I'm going to jump off camera and do my hair. And until my next video,